Hey there! Today we're diving into a bit of a problem with a Markov chain in R. The issue is, well, trying to find all possible state sequences and their corresponding probabilities for a fixed number of turns. It's quite a puzzle, isn't it? Now let's dig into the solution. The first step involves creating a set of sequences based on the transition matrix provided. This involves generating combinations of states and calculating the probabilities for each sequence using a set of nested functions. Moving on to the next part of the solution, we see the results of our efforts displayed neatly in a list format. Each sublist represents sequences of increasing lengths, along with their respective probabilities. It's pretty cool to see all the possibilities laid out like that, don't you think? But wait, there's more to this solution. We take the concept further by iteratively expanding on the sequences. By merging and updating the table with new state transitions, we can explore the evolving probabilities as the sequences grow longer. It's like watching a puzzle come together piece by piece. And finally, wrapping it all up, we have a comprehensive overview of the sequences and probabilities at each stage of the iteration. It's like peeling back the layers of a complex problem to reveal its inner workings. So, if you enjoyed unraveling this tricky problem with me, why not hit the subscribe button for more intriguing challenges like this? Remember to like the video and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring the fascinating world of data science.